In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Astro A20 headset. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to reset your Astro A20 headset for whatever reason, you will be able to do it by pressing a combination of buttons. So first, make sure that you power on the headset. Once you ensure that the headset is powered on, you will be able to use this combination of buttons to reset it. So press and hold both the game button located below the volume wheel and the equalizer mode button located below the power button simultaneously. And you will have to hold them for a lot of time. Usually this will be 30 seconds. So press and hold the game button as well as the EQ mode button simultaneously for a lot of seconds. Once usually 30 seconds have passed, you will be able to release both of these buttons, and this should allow you to reset your Astro A20 Red headset. If it doesn't work, then try again, and as long as you power them off and on again, it should work right away. You just have to make sure that you hold them down for 30 seconds, so use your cell phone if you need to time it. As long as you hold them down for 30 seconds, the EQ mode button and the game button, they will perform a hard reset on the headset, allowing you to use it on any platform as if it was completely new. So if you are having trouble with the firmware, it's giving you bad audio quality and so on, by performing the reset, you will be able to use it again natively on any platform. You just have to make sure that you set up the transmitter properly, you connected it with the included cables, and you can also try different ones, and as long as the firmware is up to date and good to go, it is going to work flawlessly. So in summary, press and hold the game and EQ mode button down simultaneously for 30 seconds. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Astro A20 headset. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.